Well, hello and welcome to our very first PRINCE2 study session. So in this first session, we're going to deal with an explanation about what is PRINCE2, a little bit of information about the PRINCE2 exams, and then we'll round up with an overview of the PRINCE2 framework or process model. So first up, definition. What does PRINCE2 mean? It means projects in a controlled environment. And basically, it is a structured project management methodology and an internationally recognized standardized project management framework. What this means is, compared to the PMI's Body of Knowledge or PMBOK, PRINCE2 is a formalized set of practices for doing something. The PMBOK is actually prescriptive knowledge, teaching, skills, research. So the PRINCE2 exams that we're proposing to do this year will actually be the foundation exam. There's a practitioner exam which has as a requirement the foundation exam. The exam has to be done by December 2017 or else it's going to change to suit the new manual which has been issued this year. The current cost for the exam is $373 US. It lasts about an hour and you have to do 75 multiple choice questions in that time. You'd have to pass at minimum 50% to AC exam. Please see the links to the syllabus and the exam sign-up page. So what is a project? As the PRINCE2 definition states, it's a temporary organization that has been created to deliver one or more business products according to an agreed business case. Project management guru Harold Kersner calls it a series of activities and tasks that have a specific objective. All projects have the same characteristics. They're the means by which we introduce change. They have defined start and end dates. They involve persons with different skills. They produce unique results, products, and services, and they often tend to be more risky than operational or regular procedures. In PRINCE2, project management is the planning, delegating, monitoring, and control of all aspects of the project and motivating those involved to achieve the objectives within expected performance targets for time, cost, quality, risk, scope, and benefits. A successfully managed project is done within time, within cost, at the desired performance and technical levels, where resources are used effectively and efficiently, and where the results are accepted by the customer. So as project manager and badass problem solver, you're required to plan the sequence of activities, delegate the work in the project, monitor how well it's going, exert control so it stays on track, and then you give the right people the right information at the right time to make the right decisions. In the PRINCE2 process, there's what happens before the project starts in the pre-project phase where the project mandate is given. There's the initiation stage where all the work to get started is done. There are subsequent delivery stages where the work is carried out to produce results, and the final delivery stage where we round up all of the results and hand over to the beneficiary. In that process, there are those who will be responsible for directing, managing, delivering results. As we go through our training, we'll see what all of these processes entail, from starting up to closing out a project. PRINCE2 temporary organization has 4 levels of management, beginning with corporate or program management within the company. At the direction level, there's the project board that makes the decisions. At the management level, there's a project manager who runs the project on a daily basis. And then, of course, delivery level, there are the team managers and team members who produce the results. PRINCE2 project adheres to the 7 principles. Continued business justification throughout the life of the project. Learn from experience of previous projects and during the project implementation. Defined roles and responsibilities for everyone involved. Managing by stages and by exception, and of course being product focused, delivering results. Themes are aspects of the project management that must be continually addressed. There are 7 themes: business case, organization, quality, plans, risk, change, and progress. All of these aspects must be continually addressed throughout the course of the project. PRINCE2 also involves 7 core processes: starting up a project, directing a project, initiating one, controlling a stage, managing product delivery, managing a stage boundary, and closing a project. As a PRINCE2 project manager, you have to manage all of these processes.
created using Powtoon.